Kiama kia arutani NAT nigikoretwo gikiregana na mawatho meru maria marutitwo ni TSC megie uruti wira wa arutani na muno thamia ya arutani na guthurimo mirutire yao ya wira.
For the union makes us strong.
Ciumia igiri hituku mutongoria wa bururi Uhuru Kenyatta ni athire ministry ya githomo guthurima weru thamia ya arutani guku akiuga ni itumite kugia na githagathago ruhonge-ini rwa githomo.
Delocalization program has created, and I emphasize, has created some unforeseen challenges that have in some instances affected some teachers' families.
Udoria mwandiki munene wa kiama kia arutani NAT Wilson Sossion ni athiete na mbere na gutitirithia ati matiragwoyohio ni kiama kia wandikani wa arutani TSC kuona no meguthie na mbere na gutetera arutani. Sossion akiuria murugamiriri munene wa TSC Nancy Macharia gutigirira marua mothe marauma wabici-ini yake mari na kirore giake.
So Dr. Nancy Macharia should tie her dogs and lock them in some kennels at the Teacher Service Commission.
Sossion ni augite ona gutuika ni marugamitie mugomo wa arutani uria wari wambiririe tariki 1 mweri uyu matiyotayanirie kaimana guku akiuga
retreat of 30th to 5th must provide solutions, failure of which they should know exams will begin in November. They might have no examiners to supervise and even to prepare students.
Sossion akinyiriire ati gutire hindi TSC ikaramata kiama kia NAT akiuga TSC ni iraruta wira mugaru na gatiba.
Never. TSC shall never run the affairs of NAT, and TSC shall never attack the rights of Kenya National Union of Teachers or any trade unions as provided for in Section 41 of the Constitution. Further, TSC is acting unconstitutionally by intimidating our members who attend our AGMs.
Ndugamano eno ya NAT na TSC ni ikoretwo igituthura wagagu ruhonge-ini rwa githomo.
Kuonana majaliwa.
Ngiribotera Kameme TV ni njitagwo Wangui wa Mwirori.